Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shanti Prince.
I am Ramchandran.
This is Professor Kumar.
I am Professor S. Malarvi.
I am Aruna Priya.
I am Dr. M. Sangeeta.
I am Ramesh.
Myself Dr. S. Yuvraj.
Engineering is all about using science to find creative and practical solutions. Choosing a right discipline is changing and very important to get it right. That is why we are here.
It is the best choice of study for students who look for opportunities both in hardware and software field.
To aid this, in our ECE department, we have more than 18 numbers of good equipped laboratories with advanced computing facilities.
We shifted from result-based teaching to outcome-based learning. Our curriculum is regularly revised from the feedback that we get from our employers who have employed our students, from our alumni who are highly placed, and also from parents to reach the global standards.
From a parent's point of view, you may have a question that how I am going to monitor my students' performance because of the huge crowd. Yes, we have a unified solution called Academia where you can find your ward's performance lively. From there, you can find what are the course he is registered for the current semester and who is the faculty and where is the venue, along with the performance of his internal examinations, how much mark he has scored out of what is maximum mark, and along with the live attendance.
Department of ECE at Katanklatur campus is dedicated to impart professional skills in addition to the technical skills among the students. Our department has various professional body students chapters such as IETE Student Forum, Optical Society of India SRM Local Chapter, Institute of Engineers SRM Chapter, and IEEE SRM Student Branch.
Being a core stream, our students are well trained in the courses like wireless communication, signal processing, embedded systems, biomedical instrumentation, and control systems engineering subjects. Our EC students are guided to do the project activities in the subject like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neural networks, cloud computing, edge computing, which will give more opportunity for our electronics and communication engineering students. We are proud to say that our electronic communication engineering department has achieved more than 90% of placement on an average for the past 5 years. Our students has placed in premium IT companies like Microsoft, Google, Media Labs, SAP Labs, Amazon, ZS Associates. In addition, our alumni are working in premium core companies. For the 2021 batch, in total, there are 180 plus companies have turned up for the recruitment for the electronics and communication engineering department, out of which already 80% of students have got placed.
Through Student Abroad program, we have sent many students to MIT Carnegie Mellon. This happens every semester and students come back with a rich experience.
We, the faculty, are also equally equipped by regular faculty development programs, short-term training programs, and industry training to accommodate the changes. We educate our students with experiential learning and skill-based knowledge so that they are market-ready, focusing industry, research, and startups. We create in our students a thirst to learn in depth so that they could apply it lifelong.
Alumni of our department pursue their higher studies in reputed universities abroad like MIT, Carnegie Mellon, University of Wisconsin, to name a few. This department has reached greater heights with the support of management authorities. I thank all the faculty members, non-teaching staff and supporting staff for their sincerity and dedication.
I invite every prospective future students to join ECE department and to explore the facilities available. I welcome you all.